Hello, and today I'll be recreating my very first paper squishy. You can see I have a bunch, but my very first one is hidden right here because it doesn't look nice at all. This one, it's just like I was trying to make a pineapple with cute eyes, but then the black smudged. So yeah, a bit of a closer look. As you can see, it was really bad coloring, really bad taping, and like the back. And it's not even squishy at all. So let's try to remake it. I don't think I'm going to make the eyes, but I'm going to make the pineapple shape and try to make it a lot nicer than this. I think I'm going to try tracing it first to make it presumably the same size as it is like originally. So let's do that. It's not presumably the same because of the taping job, and like the tape is kind of hard. Oh my gosh, there's so many like holes and hairs everywhere. Anyways, now that we lightly got the sketch, I'm going to go around and make it a little bit more nicer. Now that I've done that, I got my colors, but I'm just going to fine line it first. Okay, now that I did that, I'm going to take a dark yellow and just trace the lines of the pineapple. I then erased the lines and quickly did the green and started coloring with a lighter shade of yellow in the boxes. Okay, now it's done and this is how it looks. I think it looks nice. For the next step, I need to cover this whole thing with some clear packaging tape, but you can use small tape, but it'll take so long and you probably miss a bunch of pieces. But fun fact, for this one I did use small like tape, and I missed so many spots, and it's, yeah. So I recommend using thick packaging tape, and yeah, let's cover it up with some tape. Here's how it looks like. It's kind of nice, and it's a big improvement from before. I colored with pencil, and yeah, this is how it looks. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the excess piece of paper and you're gonna flip your image and take a pencil, or if you feel confident, a marker, and just trace over like this. Make sure you flip the image so when you put the sides together they fit perfectly. And I'll come back when it's done tracing, taped, and cut out. We finished both of the pieces and they look like this. Here's the front and here's the back, and they're just gonna like connect like this and like that. So now I'm just going to put them together and take my small tape and just put it around, leaving one side open so I can put the stuffing in. Taping all the sides together, but leaving a little pocket right here so I can put the stuffing. So now that that's done, I'm going to put the stuffing and just tape it off. For the final results. As before, here's after. I think I improved really much, and yeah, I think it looks more brighter and less paper-like and more verbal. So tell me what you think in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.